Assalamu alaikum students. Now we start the question number 19 of chapter number 14 as I read the question. Sine theta plus sine 3 theta plus sine 5 theta plus sine 7 theta equals to 0. Solution. Here you saw I joined the biggest angle with the smallest one. Sine 7 theta plus sine theta plus now sine 5 theta with sine 3 theta which left behind. Here we apply the formula sine alpha plus sine beta, that is equals to 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2, plus here also we apply the same formula sine alpha plus sine beta, that is equals to 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. So in the place of alpha and beta you write their given angles. So now what we do here, that is equals to 2 sine 7 plus 1 8 by 2 4 theta plus cos 7 minus 1 6 by 2 3 theta plus 2 sine 5 plus 3 8 by 2 4 theta cos 5 minus 3 2 by 2 only theta, that is equals to 0. Now from both we common 2 sine 4 theta is the common value. Now here inside left cos 3 theta plus cos theta equals to 0. Now 2 goes to divide by 0 becomes 0. Here we left sine 4 theta only. Now here inside the parenthesis we apply the formula cos alpha plus cos beta. When you have both cos and inside plus we apply both cos. Okay dear, means we go to apply 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2, and that is equals to 0. Now here sine 4 theta into 2 cos 4 theta by 2 2 theta cos 2 theta by 2 means theta equals to 0. Now 2 brings to divide by 0 equals to 0. Here left behind sine 4 theta cos 2 theta cos theta equals to 0. When you bring 2 to the right hand side, it will be divided by 0, becomes 0. Now we have these three factors equals to 0. What we do, we write 1 by 1 all equals to 0. Means we write sine 4 theta equals to 0. Then we have cos 2 theta equals to 0. Then last we have cos theta equals to 0. Means these three products we put 1 by 1 equals to 0. Now we will solve this sine 4 theta first. Here 4 theta is equals to sine inverse 0. Whenever sine inverse 0 comes, you apply 0 and pi as well. So 4 theta, in many questions we do like this, sine inverse 0, that is 0 comma pi. Okay dear students, so now we apply the period inside that. Directly apply the period right now, because you know all the questions 4 theta is equals to 0 plus 2 n pi comma pi plus 2n pi. Now when we solve the theta, 4 divided by all values, so theta is equals to 4 2n pi, because 0 plus 2n pi equals to 2n pi divided by 4 comma pi plus 2n pi divided by 4. Now theta, what left behind when you solve them, n pi by 2. When you solve here, separate pi by 4, solve them, n pi by 4. Now what I do here, I do directly apply the formula for period. Here we have 0 comma pi. What do we do? In 0 we add 2n pi. In pi we add 2n pi, that is the period, and you know that n belongs to z. When we bring theta 4 to right hand side, it will be divided by both values. So I do directly here 2n pi by 4, pi plus 2n pi by 4. Here 2 cancel with 4, it becomes n pi by 2. We separate these fractions pi by 4 separate, plus when you separate 2 n pi by 4, 2 cancel with 4, it becomes n pi by 2. Okay dear, so here we solve the sine first. Now we go to solve the cos. So I will just put the commas to separate the values. Now here I have cos 2 theta. When you bring cos theta to other side, it becomes 2 theta is equals to cos inverse 0. So 2 theta is equals to cos inverse 0. Now let me find cos inverse 0 on the calculator. As you see, shift cos, when you put 0, it becomes 90. 90 means pi by 2. So 2 theta is equals to pi by 2. I add the period first. 2 theta is equals to pi by 2 plus 2n pi. When you bring 2 other side, it becomes theta is equals to 1 by 2 pi by 2 plus 2n pi. Now theta, what left behind? It becomes pi by 4 plus 2 cancel with 2, it becomes n pi. Okay dear, when you just multiply 1 by 2 with 2n pi, it becomes only n pi. So this is the answer for cos. Now the last one, cos theta. As we solve the first two, the sine 4 theta, the cos 2 theta, and now we solve the cos. Okay dear, so theta is equals to cos inverse 0. As we already find cos inverse 0 is equals to 90 degree means pi by 2. So theta we write pi by 2 directly. Now in the next step we add the period, pi by 2 plus 2n pi. Here we simplify all. Now we just write on the next page its solution. Here we write where, for all, I write here where n belongs to z. Now on the page number 10, I just compile the solution for all. That is the page I put. Write the number, page number 10. I just compile the solution of that. Here we have, therefore, solution set. First solution set is n pi by 2 union, then we have pi by 4 plus n pi by 2 union. Now next we have pi by 4 plus n pi and union. The last one we have pi by 2 plus 2n pi. Here that is my solution, and that is the end of your question number 19. Now we will go to solve the question number 20, which is the last question of chapter number 14. Here I write the question number 20. The question is cos theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta equals to 0. Here I write the solution. As I solve the question number 19, question number 19 and 20 have the same solution. Okay, question number 19 is in sine, and now question number 20 is in cos. So we will apply the same procedure as we do in the question number 19. So here the biggest angle I saw cos 7 theta and the smallest angle is theta. So we join biggest with smallest. I write here cos 7 theta plus cos theta, I pair it, plus now cos 5 theta plus cos 3 theta equals to 0. Here we have the formula cos alpha plus cos beta, and you know that when we both have the cos, we just after equal we write both cos. If you have the plus, So both first cos is positive, second cos is negative. So here we apply the formula cos alpha plus cos beta, that is equals to 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. I just read the main formula alpha and into beta form, but I apply the same values which is given to me. Now here 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2, that is equals to 0. Now what left behind? Cos 7 plus 1 8 by 2 4 theta, cos 6 by 2 3 theta, plus 2 cos 8 by 2 4 theta, cos 2 by 2 only theta, that is equals to 0. Now what is common from these two terms? 2 cos 4 theta we will take common. So what left behind? Cos 3 theta plus cos theta equals to 0. So 2 when you bring on the right side divided by 0 equals to 0. What left behind here? Cos 4 theta, and here cos alpha plus cos beta. One more time we apply the same formula, 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 equals to 0. Cos 4 theta left, 2 when you bring to right hand side divided by 0 equals to 0. Cos 4 theta by 2 2 theta, cos 2 theta by 2 theta equals to 0. Now as we solve in the question number 19, same we have the step 3 products. Now we put 3 of them equals to 0 one by one. So first I put cos 4 theta equals to 0, then cos 2 theta equals to 0, then cos theta equals to 0. From this cos where we go to find the value, 4 theta is equals to cos inverse 0. As you all know about this, cos inverse 0 equals to pi by 2. So 4 theta equals to pi by 2. In the next step we add the period directly, no need to write the wording. Cos theta period is 2 pi, and we write 2 n pi because n belongs to z. Now bring 4 other side, that theta equal 1 by 4 pi by 2 plus 2n pi. What left behind? Theta pi by 8, here 2 2s are 4, n pi by 2 left behind. Now we just put the commas to separate the next solution. What is that? Cos 2 theta. So 2 theta is equals to cos inverse 0. 2 theta also equals to pi by 2. 2 theta pi by 2 plus 2 n pi. Theta equals to 1 by 2 pi by 2 plus 2 n pi. When you multiply 1 by 2 inside, what left behind? It becomes pi by 4 plus 2 to cancel, n pi left. So this is my second solution, pi by 4 plus n pi. Now we go with the third one, that is theta is equals to cos inverse 0. Theta equals to pi by 2. In the next step only we add the period, pi by 2 plus 2 n pi. We can't solve this, so right here where n belongs to z. Now we will write the solution set. First solution, that is pi by 8 plus n pi by 2 union. Second solution, pi by 4 plus n pi union, and the last solution we have pi by 2 plus 2n pi. That is the end of question number 14, question number 20 and chapter number 14. Hope so you understand all the questions well.